Hi, we're Lewis and Val Clark with Carve Me A Bear Chainsaw Carvings. We're located in Nampa, Idaho. We're out here in Weiser, Idaho today. We're going to carve this stump into a golfing bear with golf clubs on the back and a #1 club. And we're located in Nampa, Idaho, and in the summertime we spend our summers in Lincoln, Montana.
Hi, I'm Clark. I'm the chainsaw carver. I'm the one who makes this piece here, make it happen. Goal is to have that thing done hopefully today, if not for sure in a couple days because it's going to rain. But the weather's holding, the wind's holding, and I'm looking forward to getting after it. And I've got my assistant here that's going to be helping me out a lot, handing me up saws, taking stuff down, gassing things up, makes everything go smoother instead of me climbing up and down on that scaffold. But hopefully we do well and we can get this thing done.
So we just take a minute, we'll get everything set up and safe, and then we'll get started. We'll top the tree off and he'll get started on the bear to start with, and I'll be over on the side working on the golf bag and the golf clubs, and it'll just transpire over as the day goes on.
That's another wrap, another carving, another one's done. Not quite sure how it got done, but it got done. And I thank these people for allowing us to come here and do this chainsaw carving here on this beautiful golf course in this beautiful neighborhood. And just delighted to have my wife here to help me as my handy helper. And I get to enjoy, I make money doing what I love to do. And hopefully everything goes well.
Good job, sweetie.